At Jefferson, we empower students to reach new heights, enrich our community, and elevate our local businesses. That promise comes to life with Jefferson Rising.
I'm a student at Jefferson, so that means I want to better my future. And Jefferson Rising means the school wants to better its future too.
It represents what the college is, can be, and wants to be for students.
We're providing safe spaces to gather, improving access, and creating state-of-the-art classrooms.
The architects were very careful to solicit our needs, our concerns for our students, such as the need for informal spaces where they can just sit and study.
This new science building that we're building is going to revolutionize the way we approach STEM disciplines, especially in the science field. So faculty are excited about the ability to get state-of-the-art labs that are designed to help successfully teach students, and we don't have to limp through on old equipment or in spaces that just really aren't designed appropriately for today's science world.
I think what Jefferson Rising really means is that it's an opportunity for our community and our college to show that we care about all of our community, and that you don't have to be a student going away somewhere to a four-year university to deserve a quality education on a beautiful campus. We tend to have a student population that is largely first generation, largely low income, largely diverse. Those students don't always have the same opportunities that their high school classmates might have. To be able to say to any and all, come to this college and you are worthy of the same excellence, the same investment, the same resources, the same opportunities as anybody at any university.
The completion of Jefferson Rising will validate the work that we do here.
I'm already just proud to be a student at Jefferson, and this is just going to take it even further.
Together, we are Jefferson Rising.